All right, so how does time and technology change the way we go about daily living? Let's see.
Oh, Lord. Remember those computers? First, it was the floppy disk, and then CDs.
Question.
Yeah.
That's a long computer come in with a big one from 1980?
Yeah. Floppy disk days.
But look how
I did like the floppy disk them, you know.
No, but look at that. I want to see the picture.
But
good.
if you never...
Wait now, the computer fat and the man slim.
Yes.
The next one now, the computer slim. Look how the man fat.
Crime now move from in front of him, sit down there all day. It's true, since computers come in, we become more sedentary in our lifestyle.
But that don't necessarily mean you're going to put on weight.
Well,
like
him sit down in front of the computer for 23 years. That happened to him.
What's the next one?
Floppy disk. Yeah. See the man get fat though?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Big back TV.
Me still have one.
Now it is the...
Me still have one that works very nicely.
I wonder what it is at the back. Wait, not at the back again.
No.
Picture tube.
Can
Hey,
you
remember when
ask me
your
if I
TV...
tell her? No,
Remember
I'm
your
serious.
TV?
I still have one that works.
Remember when the TV now work? Or you have to make them change the picture tube and oh my God, it was something else. Well.
Yeah,
And not even them watch the people that we're again to.
We seem to have 90,000 things to do now.
The watches now, Fitbit and
whatever, man.
all kind of things.
I hope.
Tell time but no time.
Remember those days when people used to write diaries and got mad when someone read them? No, they put everything on Facebook and get mad when people don't read them.
Yeah. True.
True.
I always ask people.
So you get upset when them not read something?
Oh, but there's nothing I would write in a diary that I would write on Facebook. I've said to people, I'm amazed at the things you would never say to your co-workers, to your family members. You put it on social media.
Not me.
It's crazy.
Me don't even know if you reach on Facebook.
I don't know why they think it's okay.
I don't know if
I don't know why they think it's okay. Some personal things, and then when people take it, tell them say, or something happen, them say, and please, at this time, we're asking for some privacy.
As you did put it out in the first place. Yeah, people put up like what them eating for lunch and are going to take a shower.
It's crazy.
I don't understand why. But you're right.
Some of them cook, them have chef challenge and them cook and put up some things and you say, no sir, that not look good. And the funniest things, hey, I follow Good Morning Noel Cunningham every minute. Them report him on Facebook and then put him in a Facebook jail. But him says sometimes they take the picture and they're so pretty in the picture and then you look behind them in the house. Some cleaning need for go on.
When you say a while ago, them put him in Facebook jail?
Yeah.
What that means?
Somebody report him and then shut down him account for a little bit.
Oh.
Regular Noel got Facebook jail. He's a felon, I'm telling you. Can't hold him out.
Jail.
Yes, can't hold him
out. Okay. Landline united to the family. Mobile divided the family.
Yes. And the phone ring. Everybody have to come around the one phone for listen
People still
and
have
talk.
Landline. People still really use that.
A landline? Not a lot. I haven't had a landline for a long time. I'm not there one.
You have one?
A landline? I'm there one. People can come by myself.
I have one, but I don't use it. You know why? Because apparently it is close to a radio station.
Oh. So you talk that area?
So it's like the radio station stop at like 6, and my number is like 8, but they keep calling.
Oh.
So 2 o'clock in the morning, the phone ring. Hello? Pastor? I said, wrong number. Him say, so who this? So I said, wrong number, sir.
What?
And I put down the phone. 2 seconds later. Hello? Pastor? No, sir. So then it's who this? I said, you have the wrong number,
That's
sir.
so funny.
So after that, no, me just go so. And me nobody put it back in since that morning.
You can't imagine how much people are called pastor and not get through because of birthdays. Sure.
No,
Them are ring on the phone, that's not
Richard, I
ring.
hear you. But after I say it's not the pastor, you have the wrong number. The man still want to know his
Because him need pastor. Him don't know if I kidnap you, kidnap pastor. Who this way you do it, pastor?
I
That's what
should
he
just
shoulda
say
asked
yes,
you.
sir. I listen to him and just tell him what I feel.
He
and
should
make
have
him feel
said,
better.
what have you done with pastor? You're lucky
What's the
police
next
not
one?
come in the house.
Well, I know. I'm trying to understand this one, Khalid. From the big tablet to the little tablet.
But she's saying medicine has advanced, but our health. People are less healthy than they were in years gone
But
by.
we have better. Yeah, we have
Maybe
better
that's why,
medicine.
maybe because we know so we have the medicine, we don't
Yeah.
try to be as careful as we should be and eat what we should
But
eat.
you find that even though, and yeah, that's true that we have advanced in that area, but them still can't find cure for so many of these things.
Right,
You can't
right.
find cure for a lot of these things that you say there's no cure. All right. Well, there you go, folks.
Sometimes I wonder if it's becoming more common or it just wasn't diagnosed
Yep.
as much as it is now.
I guess that's what you mean by
Yeah.
when you say things evolve.
Yeah.
You just saw that.
Good morning to the parents of Red Hills Primary.
Morning, parents.
They watch Smile Jamaica a lot. So hi, and the
Right.
teachers. Morning to you all.
Your time, Mama.
Still ahead, investing with Sagicor Select Funds, but news is after the break with O'Shane Masters.
Soon come.